During an independent test, the Alpha competition trigger fired 10,000 rounds with no oiling, no cleaning, and performed flawlessly with 0 malfunctions.
Failure. 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 I like how it clicks.
Flawlessly with 0 malfunctions.
Okay, Timney trigger, race, Glock, Alpha, Glock 5. Dry fired it a little bit. At home, first trip to the range. Let's see how it works. Another failure. Recock. Failure. Multiple failures. Failure. Failure. That's fucked up. I'm afraid it's not gonna be the case with cleaning, because here's what I have on the inside. Okay, so basically what you see here are drag marks. Drag marks that I can tell, yeah, you can see it like this. So these are the drag marks on the top of the trigger bar that tell me that when striker goes forward, it drags on the trigger bar. It means there's not enough clearance, and this probably slows down the striker, and that's probably what causing failure to fire, because striker does not have enough inertia. It's being slowed down quite a lot by the trigger bar. I will try to clean this thing and see if it works, but if it doesn't, that probably is it for this review of a Timney Glock Alpha race trigger for Gen 5. It's basically a no-go for me. Failure. Yep, light strikes. Failure. Failure. Fire. Failure. 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 Okay, so I lost empty space on my phone while I was recording this, but basically I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I had 10 failures to fire with extremely light primer strikes on Freedom munitions, 115 grain reloaded, but this ammunition, I know it's cheap shit. Well, was cheap shit back in the day when we actually had such thing as a cheap ammo. So 10 failures to fire out of 17 round mag. Now I'm gonna refire them. This is after reassembly. Failure. I just throw it on the ground. Failure. 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 I like how it clicks. I wonder if I damaged my striker. Oh, complete failure. Okay, we're done. You know what? Just to show you that my striker is not damaged, or if it's damaged, I'm gonna disassemble it right fucking here. Here's my Glock Gen 5 striker. It doesn't appear to be damaged. It's still there. You know, while this video is rolling, I'm just gonna insert my normal trigger components. no failures to fire. All rounds that have failed to fire with the Timney trigger. Timney trigger is kaput. Oh man, such a disappointment. And yeah, I guess no magic for me. Alright, thanks for watching. That's gonna be it.